Next box up is 2011 Totally Certified. 2011 Totally Certified. How many packs were in here? 6 packs, and I think 6 hits. I think there's a hit per pack. I think it's 4 jerseys and 2 autos. Be on the lookout for the video cards too. Never seen one in person. Maybe we'll get one. 2011 Panini Totally Certified. Looking for something big. Got the hit backwards. I'll move that one to the back. Looks like it's just the hit, nothing else. No rookies, no parallels. So hit number 1 will go to... Oh, it's an auto. Nice. I thought it was going to be a jersey. For the Texans, J.J. Watt, numbered out of 299. Nice hit. A J.J. Watt for the Texans out of 299. Very nice. I think the Texans were an auction team too. J.J. Watt. Be beasting around with Clowney now. Nice hit for the Texans. So there's auto number 1 down. There's going to be 1 more auto and 4 more jerseys. Or 4 jerseys. Move these back. Have a Rookie of the Week award winner for the Raiders, Denarius Moore. Denarius Moore, Rookie of the Week, Week 11 for the Raiders. And hit number 2 goes to the Colts. Dallas Clark jersey, numbered out of 249. Dallas Clark for the Colts out of 249. Single colored jersey. 2 packs down. 4 left. I got a parallel in this one. Parallel for the Bengals, Jerome Simpson. Jerome Simpson for the Bengals out of 50. Nice low numbered. Jerome Simpson for the Bengals out of 50. And the next hit goes to the Raiders. Jim Plunkett. Nice patch. 3-color patch. That is numbered 49 out of 49. Nice card. Jim Plunkett for the Raiders. 3-color patch. 49 out of 49. Nice hit. Nice one for the Raiders. They might have been an auction team too. Just have the hit in this one. Next hit is for the Patriots. Ryan Mallett jersey out of $4.99. Ryan Mallett jersey out of $4.99 for the Patriots. So we got 2 packs left. So looking for 1 auto and 1 jersey. See what this pack holds. Looks like the Bucks have their pick in too. Again, just a bunch of base in the hit. Next hit is for the Vikings, Fran Tarkenton jersey out of 249. Fran Tarkenton jersey for the 49ers out of 249, purple. And so that leaves 1 pack left. Empty box. Going to be an autograph in here. Hopefully a good one. Maybe a Cam or a AJ Green or something. And a redemption. Seems fit. Redemption. I'm going to have to look this one up. It's Freshman Fabric Signatures Blue. So it's going to be a parallel. Card 204. Freshman Fabric Signatures Blue. 204. Let me look that one up real quick. Freshman Fabric Signature 204. Decent hit. Yep. Thank you, Buccaneers, for taking Evans. Now the Lions aren't tempted. Let's see, 204. Rams. All right, so the redemption goes to the Rams. Austin Pettis. Freshman Fabric Signatures Blue. So that does it for Totally Certified. Some nice hits.